Welcome to the broker deposit bonus video. Today we'll explore the benefits, details, and conditions of deposit bonuses offered by two popular brokers, Vantage Markets and AvaTrade. A broker deposit bonus is a promotion that allows traders to boost their trading capital when they make a deposit. Start with Vantage Markets. Vantage Markets offers a 50% deposit bonus for first-time deposits up to $500. For example, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a $500 bonus, bringing your total trading capital to $1,500. For subsequent deposits, Vantage Markets provides a 10% or 20% bonus, depending on the specific promotion. It's important to note that the bonus credit itself cannot be withdrawn, but any profits you make from trading with the bonus can be withdrawn. Remember to claim these broker deposit bonuses, you need to use my partner links in the description to sign up. In addition to the deposit bonus, Vantage Markets also offers a no deposit bonus. This promotion gives new traders a $50 bonus without needing to make an initial deposit. However, it's only available to the first 3 clients who sign up for a live account each week with my partner link in the description. To qualify for this no deposit bonus, you must fully verify your identity and proof of address. Once your documents are approved, the $50 bonus will be credited to your account. This is a great way to start trading with no risk involved. To participate in Vantage Markets deposit bonus promotions, you'll need to opt in manually via their client portal or mobile app before making your deposit. A minimum deposit of $50 is required, and certain account types and payment methods may not qualify for the bonus. Now let's look at AvaTrade. AvaTrade offers a 20% deposit bonus for new clients who deposit at least $200. This promotion can be used to boost your trading capital, but there are important conditions to keep in mind. It's also worth noting that deposits made through Skrill and Neteller are not eligible for this bonus. AvaTrade is known for its wide range of trading instruments, tight spreads, and secure platforms, making it a trusted broker for traders around the world. Remember to claim these broker deposit bonuses, you need to use my partner links in the description to sign up. Thank you for watching my broker deposit bonus video. See you next time.